based on what you have access and permission to these data sources. Of course, the foundation models for Microsoft Copilot is the LLM, the large language model, where we verify and we translate the request of the user to get a revert answer for the end user with a comprehensive language that can be used directly from a user perspective. So when we talk about all this ecosystem of Microsoft Copilot, we need to start somewhere. So the starting point for using Copilot is the prompt engineering. And when we talk about prompt engineering, we talk about Copilot experience for each application inside the M365 ecosystem. So we can use Copilot in Teams to recap meetings, for example, to catch up on previous meetings, to schedule your upcoming meetings, or for example, a project that you're working on inside a Teams chat group. Also, we talk about Copilot from prompt engineering perspective to summarize email thread, to draft an email, to summarize a document on Microsoft Word, to create topics, either general topics or specific or targeted topics related to your organizational data from the web. From Copilot in the web or Copilot application, you will have the same interface, and also Copilot from Excel and PowerPoint. So recently Microsoft has been added the Copilot in SharePoint, which is actually orchestrated as an agent in SharePoint to directly access your data and bring the right information from the right data source. The art and science of prompting, it's actually here crucial to highlight what are the main ingredients to the right prompting. First of all, we talk about goals. What are the goals from your request or your prompt? Specify actually the context. And here you need to specify why do you need it and who is involved, the source, the data source, if it's required. Okay, so here to make it clear for everyone, the goal and the context are mandatory in our context, but when it comes to source and expectations, those are recommendations, okay, in order to guide more your Copilot to get the right access without going through all the data sources inside your organization data. So the source, it will be which information sources or simple should Copilot use, and the expectations, it's how should Copilot respond to best meet your expectations. An example of a prompt that combine all these 4 elements together when we want to generate 3 to 5 bullet points, for example, to prepare for a meeting, for an upcoming meeting with my customer, okay, talking about the brand campaign. And I want Copilot to focus on emails and Teams chat since June. So, okay, I specify here what are the data sources in order to be more accurate and more specific in the response. And I will suggest to use simple language so I can get up to speed quickly. This is an example of the expectations that we can include inside the prompting. Okay, so this is actually the landscape of the best practices using Copilot prompting engineering. Coming next to the defining Copilot and Microsoft 365 value. So here we'll talk about the quality, the speed, and also the effort. The key point here, the productivity boost. So we talk about automating repetitive tasks across Microsoft Word, Microsoft Excel when it comes to analyzing data, creating a new presentation from scratch or from a document using Copilot and PowerPoint. Also catch up on your emails, see what are the most prioritized emails using Outlook and Teams, summarizing your emails. So all these tasks that we we all use on a daily basis. It's the collaborative aspect that is a heavy task sometimes for the professionals, of course. So Copilot here as your generative AI assistant will bring solution and efficacy, gain much more time and a good quality in your responses. So this is actually how Copilot can enhance decision making. When the user will use Copilot to respond to these questions, to actually face these challenges and make solutions and quicker solutions to these challenges systematically, you will have more time to focus on more important tasks. Okay, so actually this is the idea. So the before meeting, the during the meeting, and the after the meeting ends. So you can benefit from all the experience. Of course, you need one only prerequisite is to have the Copilot license assigned to your user ID. Okay, when it comes to professional aspect, of course. And the meeting, you are the organizer or one of the organization that organized this meeting member. So in order to benefit from all these features of Copilot. When it comes to search, you will get quicker answers and more accurate data. You don't have to search for your data. It will systematically bring everything together in a more seamless way. And also from content creation, it will actually help create documents, presentation, graphs in Microsoft Excel, generate formulas as well, generate or highlight using the conditional formatting in Microsoft Excel specific data. And here it's very important, these features, when it comes to a big amount of data in Excel. So it will bring a much more value here. Some of the common roles that are considered here in our scenario, as you can see here, all cross-functional professionals are included. Either it's for management, market, IT, HR professionals, finance, operations professionals, also for developers. This is where